Example 2. A monochromatic light source of intensity 5 milliwatt emits 8 into 10 power 15 photons per second. This light emits photoelectrons from a metal surface. The stopping potential for this setup is 2 volts. Calculate the work function of the metal. So the power of the light is given, which is 5 milliwatt, and the total number of photons per second is also given, 8 into 10 power 15 photons per second, and the stopping potential of the also given, which is 2 volts. We need to calculate work function. Let us do that. Since the power is given as 5 milliwatt, which is nothing but 5 into 10 power minus 3 watt, which is nothing but 5 into 10 power minus 3 joules per second. Therefore the energy, the total energy of the light is given 5 into 10 power minus 3 joules, and this, the total amount of energy is been carried by the number of photons. So number of photons who carried 5 into 10 power minus 3 joules is 10 power 8 into 10 power 15. So the total number of photons carried this amount of energy is 8 into 10 power 15. So we need to know what is the work function, and stopping potential is given it as 2 volts. So let us calculate what is the energy of one photon. So energy of one photon is equal to total energy by number of photons, which is nothing but 5 into 10 power minus 3 by 8 into 10 power 15. So what we get here by solving it, 6.25 into 10 power minus 14 joules. So one photon carries 6.25 into 10 power minus 14 joules. We know that work function is equal to energy of the light minus kinetic energy. So work function can be written as energy of one photon is equal to 6.25 into 10 power minus 14 minus kinetic energy can be written as electron into stopping potential. So work function can be written as 6.25 into 10 power minus 14 minus electron into stopping potential. So let me express the whole value in terms of electron volt. So I divide with electron. So what we get, work function is equal to 6.25 into 10 power minus 14 by electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So we'll get this value in terms of electron volt, minus here stopping potential value will be 2 electron volt. So what we'll get finally, which is equal to 3.9 electron volt minus 2 electron volt, which is 1.9 electron volt. So the work function of the metal is 1.9 electron volt.